everybody. Welcome to December 5th, 2013. Try and talk up a little bit here since the noise of the snowblower there might get in the way of the microphones here. But anyway, just trying to clean up here for the third time after the snowstorm came through. I'd call it the storm of the century, maybe even the storm of the millennium, since we're not that far into the century and millennium. So anyway, a little sick northern Minnesota humor here. But anyway, we've got plenty of snow here, and you can actually see some over there. Bottom of the tower. The tower looks fine. Everything up there, including the new brackets and everything, so that's good news. Some rather windy days out there. But we got lots of snow. Now this area here has already been cleaned out once. Drifted back in. The wind was from that way. Got it looking, so it's really not as deep as it should be because of the way the wind was coming through there around the house. As we scan our way over, there of course is the snowblower. It's a John Deere 1032, 10 horse, 32 inch wide. Snowblower blade on there. And I've got a problem here with the clutch. It's not running once in a while, so I have to force it in. But anyway, they're doing a super bang up job today. That's a problem. I had to replace the pulley, rubberized pulley assembly in there. Also, now it seems to work great. So that's as far as I've gotten so far into the turnaround area. Take a walk down here a little ways, down the driveway. Got a little ways down the driveway here. See, it's quite deep. A lot of snow piling up here wherever I've dumped it already with the snowblower. I'm all done on the right side here. The next side I'm going to work on is over here on the left side, heading down the hill. But anyway, so this is as far as I've gotten today. Last night, or yesterday late afternoon, we cut one path down to the bottom of the driveway so we could at least get the bottom of the driveway cleared out so we could get the car and the van up there and get them off the county road, because you know, when the plow goes by it piles up a bunch of snow. So cut this path down here, and by the time we came back up, there's just a couple hours left of snowstorm. But nonetheless, the last part of the storm, the snow was nice and fluffy, but the first part of the storm was all wet, heavy, pretty bad stuff. So here you see the van down here. This is where we cleaned up to last night. It took us about 3 hours just to do this much, with the snowblower having some traction problems and whatnot. And I go around the van here, the woolly mammoth. And down here, this is where Diane would parked overnight, right here. And finally down into down to the county road here. Well, as you can see, the county has already left us a nice present here. So it looks like I'll have to come down here again, spruce up what we did, and then get rid of the snowbank here. But anyway, pretty big drifts down here at the end. Take a look down the road here. You can see, I don't even see if I can't even see my neighbors are plowed out yet. But anyway, we're talking maybe a snowbank close to 5 feet tall here along the county road. So there you go, quite the storm. And well, I better head back up and get the rest done. Nonetheless, all the snow on the trees is just beautiful, just gorgeous.